Hello, this is JD from JDGamingPR. Welcome back to another update on the recovery of Puerto Rico from Hurricane Maria. I have a couple of things to talk about. All right, the guys who were hired for from the electric company, those people that are from the United States that I talked about before, I heard that they left, but there's more people coming. It's just that their time working on the island, is kind of like expired or something like that, and new people are coming to help. Las Piedras, Junco, Ceiba, I think, Naguabo, all those towns have, like the majority of the town has power. Humacao too. And just to give an example, which is a little bit messed up, for me. Oh yeah, by the way, today I think it's February 26th. 2018, officially 5 months without power. So, okay. If we count it as sections, like from 1 through 5, and minus the third one, the first section has power, the second section has power, the third one, in which I am, doesn't have power, the fourth one has power, and the fifth one, where my mom lives, doesn't have power. So, I hate it. But anyway, the thing is that they're working hard. They're actually fixing, they're restoring power to town. It's not generators, I think. They're actually restoring the power. And I have kind of like it's not a funny story. It's kind of like a messed up story, something that happened yesterday, which is messed up. Okay. Last night they were restoring power to where my mom lives, and some cables caught fire. They put some I think that, well, we call it transformadores. I think it's the same as transformers, not like Optimus Prime, like roll out. No. Transformers. The big drum things with the thingies inside that it has electricity. I'm not an electrician, or the point is that they put that on post, and they were testing it out last night. They told my mom, turn on the lights. I mean, turn on the switch. Because she turned off every switch. Not the switch. It's just the main breakers. She turned them off. They told her, turn on the breakers. Turn some lights on to see how the voltage is, and the voltage was really low. She said it's on, but the lights are kind of like red, so it was like really low. They, whoever was asking told his boss like, hey, it's really low and whatever. And then all of a sudden, sparks starting to fly from the cables. She said that it was like the 4th of July, and her neighbor's cable caught fire, almost making his house, be engulfed in flames. But the guy said, they turned off the lines and told my mom, hey, do you have a hose? And my mom was all nervous. Here, you put it, because I can't do it. And they turned off the fire, and the owner of the house never noticed because he was asleep. Because it was around 10 p.m. And another neighbor, the cable exploded, caught fire, and it fell from the... It's like the cable snapped and fell to the floor, and still on the floor, because I went there today. And that was pretty messed up, But good thing is that they're kind of restoring power, and, my mom most probably is going to have power before me. And I'm, where I live is forgotten. Because it's forgotten. Well, they did work like almost a week ago. I saw them working around the area, but not exactly where I live. But, something is something. Okay, about the donations. I heard of a place. It's just that I forgot to check. But there is a place that you can check, whoever is interested. I'm gonna try because I haven't checked yet. But there's a place on the internet from let's say a comedian, a Puerto Rican comedian that they call El Molusco. That's like calling him Barnacle. He has like a donation thing, for the ones who got, for the damaged people from Hurricane Maria. The thing is that I heard, or I've been told, that the site gives you like specific details on on what the money is spent on, how much money they received. They give you all that information. It's not like thank you. Here's an email thanking you for donating. No, no, no. They give you in the website all the money that they receive and for what they're spending it on. Because it's better to donate to that guy than to give it to the government, because there's rumor that the government is receiving money for help from artists, and they're not specifically helping the people in need. I don't know what to say about that, but it makes sense. Anyways, but I'm gonna check out that website. I'm gonna put it on the description below. It's of El Molusco. I'm gonna look for it. If not, you can look for it if you like. But I will try and look for it. Just in case, Molusco is written Molusco. Molusco. Yes, I got it right. Maybe. But I'm gonna try and find it and find out about the website. I'm gonna put it in the description below and you can check it out. But that's in the meantime, because I'm gonna keep on trying to find more places, local places, to see if I find any so far. Now, what else I will talk about? I wanted to talk about a couple of things. I heard that I'm gonna get the power restored this week, but I don't know. I see that like very slim. But I hope so. I really hope so. What else? Oh yeah. Besides that, February 20th was 5 months without power. Also on February 20th, they changed the YouTube partner agreement, and now all my videos are being demonetized because I only have 4,000 hours watched and 1,000 subscribers. So remember that I used to say that making these videos were a hobby? Now it's a hobby for real, because I used to think that it was a hobby. It was a hobby, but it was a hobby with hope. And now I'm not gonna receive any money. I never want any. But I'm gonna continue making videos, So that sucks. And what else? I think that's about it. Besides the electric company, the big mishap of the electricity, the power. Oh yeah, I forgot. If you go to my Facebook page, you're gonna find 2 posts about the electric company guys from the United States that they've been like thanked, for their hard work and dedication. I don't remember the town, but I think it was Guayama. I think they, on a basketball court, they made like a meal and a thank you show, thanking them for all the hard work and stuff, which was really cool. I also posted a story, a really sad story about, I think it was, it was about something that happened on February 20th, and it was a woman that didn't have any power for 5 months, like me. And she got the power restored, and it was very sentimental, and she was thanking them and all that stuff. It's a really touching story. I have that on my Facebook page. Now, the neighbors of my mom did the same thing for them, because when they were placing the cables, the neighbors, and my mom, of course, they planned to do a meal for them, and they made a meal. They played country music, they sang, they danced, they ate, they found the food like wonderful, and I love that. I love it when somebody that is not from Puerto Rico that comes to visit and goes like, oh my God, Puerto Rican food is delicious. It fills me with joy. So they actually enjoyed the food. They made rice, I think it was pigeon peas, I'm not sure if there was pork, salad with, I think it was salad with chicken. So I don't know, there was no pork. It was salad with chicken and some sweet potatoes with I think it was onions. I saw the pictures. I didn't get any. I didn't eat there, but it looked delicious, and they had fun, and they had a blast, and they even have a little bit of drink. No, but it was just a little bit, like, hey, you want to try this? And they tasted it. Ooh, that was really good. Yeah, the thing is that they enjoyed it. They have fun. And, if any of you guys, and I mean the guys who were contracted to work on Puerto Rico, first, I want to say thank you all for your hard work and dedication. Thank you for helping us. Even though of course it wasn't for free, you gave your heart out. It's it's amazing, to see you guys work and so dedicated, because I talk to you guys and you are so friendly and you're so nice. Plus you work so hard. I thank you, and I hope the next time that you come to the island is not for work and it's for vacation. And I really hope that you enjoyed your stay on the island, because I did hear from a worker from Walmart, from some Walmart, that those guys like to buy fish gear and they like to go fishing. So I hope that you guys come back to the island for vacation, come fish, have some fun, enjoy the food, because my house is your house. Or like some people say, mi casa is su casa, even though they have like that horrible accent. Mi casa es su casa. Learn how to say it. No, I'm kidding. But you're more than welcome to come to the island and enjoy your vacations. Thank you so much for that. What else? I've been thinking, since I don't have power, I still don't have power, and I have more games and stuff. I downloaded a couple of more games on the tablet. I have Turbo Dismount. I'm not sure if to make a Let's Play, maybe one of Turbo Dismount, because it's fun, but it's not that funny. There's another game called There's Poop. I cannot use the controller. It's not the same game that I saw on YouTube, so most probably I'm gonna do one video of that, because it's nasty and it's funny. And I downloaded the demo of Five Nights at Freddy's 2, because there's no demo for the first one. But I downloaded the second one. I'm gonna give it a test run by myself to see if I can use the controller. And I also downloaded, but I don't think it's the original one, and most probably I'm gonna do a video about that game soon, Trap Adventure 2. But it's not the original one. It doesn't have the same music or stuff, but it's basically the same thing. I haven't tried it with the controller. I tried it with the tablet, and I kind of a little bit of rage. And I'm thinking about doing that video with something special. It's just that I don't want to spoil it, but since I could get the things that I need to do the special, you're gonna see when I make the video. So that's it for now. We're doing great, we're doing good. Power's being restored, everything's coming back to normal, which is great. There's still people that need help, because there's still people that they live in the mountains and they need help, and people that live more in the wilderness, that's far away from town, they need help. But the recovery is going great. It's going great, really. And again, thank you guys, the ones who work on the placing the posts and cables. Thank you so much for helping us. And also, thank you guys for watching and always supporting my videos. I really appreciate it. But let's see if I can do another funny video for you guys. And most probably the next one is gonna be about Trap Adventure 2, and it's gonna be Rage with something else. I hope it works. So anyways, look for me on Google+, Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, Patreon. I'm gonna try and do something with the Patreon thing, because I haven't done anything. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, all under the same name, JDGamingPR. Share, like, and comment if you like, and as always, thank you so much for watching. This was JD from JDGamingPR. Still hoping that I get the power back on, because I have a lot of games and no time and no space on my PS4, and I need to clean that PS4. Well, the hard drive and the PS4, because it's full of dust. And I hope that you guys have a good one. Alright. Bye-bye now. See you on the next video, and the next update of the recovery, or on the next Let's Play. Yeah. Bye-bye now.